Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Look at this amazing chocolate filling cake. Ooh, so delicious. Start with a cake tin and spray on some cooking spray. Add some chocolate cake dough in one side and butter cake dough in the other side. Give it a tap and bake at 150 degrees for 30 minutes. Lovely. Using a bowl, cut out a hole in the middle. Scoop it out using an ice cream scoop. Make it into a kind of a bowl. And then pour in dark and white chocolate ganache side by side. Ooh, best friends. Let's pop on some Kit Kat pieces. Lovely. And drizzle on some chocolate sauce. White chocolate frosting goes around the edge for a finishing touch. And then dark chocolate frosting on the other side. Perfect. And there you have it, chocolate filling cake. Slice it up and just watch it ooze out. So easy to make. And if you can't decide which flavour you want, this is perfect. Half chocolate, half vanilla. Who could ask for anything more? Go on, give it a go.